I'm Ray Toffer. Welcome to beautiful, luxurious Muncie. I do local food reviews now. For my first food review, I have decided to try the Burger King that used to be Joker's Wild. If you're from Muncie, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Hello, Burger King, how may I help you?
Hi, I would like one small fry, please.
Anything else?
What is your most popular sauce?
I'm sorry, one more time.
What is your most popular sauce?
I'm sorry, I can barely hear you.
What is your favorite dipping sauce?
Barbecue and zesty?
I'll take one of those, please.
Which one?
Zesty.
You want the zesty? Alright, anything else?
That's all.
Alright, $2.58, now reach your second window, please.
Thank you. From 1986 till 2015, this Burger King was a strip club called Joker's Wild. It seems like only yesterday. I have the fries. I will be evaluating these French fries on 4 categories: temperature, hot, size, medium, shape, rhombus, parallelogram, smell. The grease needs changed. Time for the taste test. It's okay. Before I try the sauce, I will cleanse my palate with Walmart water. I will now test the sauce. They didn't give me any sauce. Overall, I give these fries a 2 out of 5 purple hippos. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will continue my search for the greatest potato product in beautiful, luxurious Muncie. If you have any ideas about where I should go next, I already have a list.